In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome. We've all had that moment when we accidentally delete bookmarks and immediately wish we could hit rewind. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of getting those precious links back in no time. To begin, open Google Chrome and head over to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see three vertical dots. This icon represents the menu where several options are tucked away. Click on these three little dots to pull down the menu. From here, direct your attention to the Bookmarks option. When you hover over it, a submenu will appear. From this list, select Bookmark Manager. It's a handy tool where you manage all your bookmarks, and it's the key to recovering what's lost. Now that you're in the Bookmark Manager, glance over to the right, just beside the search bar, and you'll find another set of three vertical dots. This dot menu is crucial. Click on it. Now, within this drop-down, you'll spot an option that says Import Bookmarks. Select this, and you're on your way to recovery. Once you click Import Bookmarks, a File Explorer window is going to pop up. It's here you'll be hunting for that unfortunately deleted bookmark file. Hopefully, you have a backup of your bookmarks in an HTML file. If you're not sure where it might be, it often resides in your Downloads folder or a location you've previously chosen for browser backups. Browse through your files until you find this backup HTML file. Once you've located it, click on the file and press Open. This action will start importing your bookmarks back into Chrome. If you've managed your backups regularly, this step will help you swiftly reclaim your valuable bookmarks. If you haven't backed them up before, this is a great reminder to start that practice to safeguard against future mishaps. Bookmark backups are like insurance for your browsing experience, ensuring you never permanently lose your links to important sites. And there you have it, a simple yet effective solution to recovering deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome. Remember, keeping regular backups can save time and prevent headaches. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out more of our tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.